Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Easy Learning Therapy. In today's video, let's do some science experiment. So we are going to see float and sink. We heard teach the child the basic concept of float and sink, what is meaning of float and sink and how it really looks like. And we are going to explore this concept with few objects and toys. So this live experiment will give the child good experience and also a good eye-hand coordination increase in their concentration level. So here to do this experiment we need a tub filled with the water and few objects with the heavier and lighter weight. This should be kept separate, and here you can see two trays labeled, one with float and one with sink, and here you can see a towel to wipe the object. Children, those who are doing this experiment for the first time, make it simple and concentrate on the language. Like first start taking object from the tray and say the name of the object and place them slowly in the water, and ask the child to observe the object whether it floats, it stays in the top of the water or it goes inside the water. So it stays in the top of the water, so it is floating. So take the object out of the water slowly and wipe them with the help of towel and place them in the tray which is labeled float. Now next object is, I'm going to take key. This is a little bit heavier object. I'm going to directly put inside this tub. Let's see. So here the key sink in the water. So this object sink in the water, so it is sink. This time the child will look at you for the reaction because this is a completely different experiment. So the first object was floating, the second was sinking. Now let's experiment with other objects.
This object is lighter weight. I'm going to open this. Now let's see whether it floats or sink.
So floats or sinks. So it's floating.
Yes.
You can see
Water is
what
filling.
Yes.
Can you
Now
see
let's
two
see
holes
whether
are there?
yes. Now let's see whether this floats or sinks once it is fully filled.
If water fills, it sinks.
Yes. So the weight of object is being balanced by the upward push of water. Now let's see whether it floats or sinks. It's almost full. So still it floats. It floats, right? Push it down. Wait. Let's see. So it floats.
Float.
Now we'll make it heavy. Add this once again. Add those stones. We'll see whether it floats or sinks. 1, 2. So it sinks. So this one sinks. So the weight of object cannot be balanced with the upward push of water. Yes, the reason behind this. That is all, friends. They will experience the live experiment and they will learn the concept of floating and sinking. So thank you, friends. Hope you all like this video.